So this is the pattern for the curve made out of straight lines, and the process I'm using is called FPP, or foundational paper piecing. And I've already started. I have this going, and here's how you would do the next step. I have this piece, this piece, this piece, and so now I'm working on this one, A4. I'm going to fold along this line, and then I'm going to cut a 1/4 inch clearance line, or stitch hem line. I'm using the wrong vocabulary. I'm going to fold it back, and then what I'm going to do is take my next piece of material, and I'm going to think about where it's going to go. And when I fold this over, this pattern, you can barely see the lines underneath, has to be lined up with an edge and all the way inside this material here. So I think that'll do it. I'm going to unfold, and I'm going to stitch along that line. I'll be right back. Shoot. All right. Of course, I get under pressure and I make a little mistake here. I went a little too far, so I'm just going to clear those stitches. So there we go. I'll just trim those off. And then what we're going to do is take this material, fold it back, and iron it. I'll be right back. Okay, and that's how we got our next piece. What we'll do up here is we'll just trim that off. I always like to leave extra and trim it close later on. And now we're ready for the next piece, which will be A5. And we just flip that over and we trim again and continue on the process till we're done. And I'll show you that at the end. By the way, if you're wondering what this groovy music is in the background, it's an artist named Stanley Clark, and he is a jazz fusion bass player.